Yo guys, it's Daniel Everything here, and today we're back with the theme park tycoon with Elijah, and today I'm gonna have to say it today, because it's always gonna be the same. I'd have to say, and today he says, "Come, we're coming, coming." We did some stuff off camera. Oh yeah, hold on, I have to move my thing real quick. Right there. No, I don't like it like right there. I like it like right here. Yes. I just have to move my camera. Yes. I have that ride. What are we? Yeah, we're gonna cut people. I'm riding on the top. I'm riding on the top. Oh well. What is that? It's called the launched free falling. Okay. I think you guys like to see my face over here. So if you guys like to see my face over here, we will get to 5 likes if you guys like to see it right there. If you guys don't, still like the video. Just subscribe if you guys don't. I think you guys are not used to seeing my face right there, so I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm gonna say I have my camera on the top right. What the heck? I hate you, Roblox, for not letting us type like that. You're making me yell because of that. I hate you, Roblox. Here, I'll prove that I hate Roblox now for making me mad. I hate Roblox now. You made me in my mad zone.
Oh, another one? What? This is so many.
Don't talk to me, Roblox. So, you made me in my mad zone. I'm asking. I have my camera.
Whoa. Okay, so many.
How do you spell it? Camera on top right corner.
That one's in the one.
What the heck? Roblox! I'm gonna make a diss track on Roblox.
No, because
God forgive me, but you're making me so mad, Roblox. Why can't you can't even say numbers like that. Look, this blurs out everything. Like, look, why can't they just blur out bad words? Why do they blur out? They have to blur out numbers. How about if you're trying to say, like, I know, what's your phone? What's your? I'm gonna have a Zoom meeting. What's your Zoom meeting code? It's gonna be 6 and like, what the heck, Roblox? Why do you keep blurring that out? You're gonna make me mad and stop. Stop.
Like that.
I'm gonna have me with my new inks. Where's Elijah? Oh, he's right there. If I think about it, did he build it with this?
Here. What's another one? I said it was
I'm gonna surprise you guys on next episode, and next episode is gonna be tomorrow, and I'm gonna do a prank. Look, next episode, I'm not gonna tell you the prank because I know Elijah watches my videos, but it's just private information. I don't want to tell you guys. I have the camera right here. I don't want to tell you guys, but if he gets like really mad, I'm just gonna put "Gone Wrong" in the title and put "Theme Park Tycoon pranked on Elijah." I'm gonna get him. Stuck.
What sort of? I saw 5.
Oh my god, that's so.
Probably it's not so many. 9.
Darn it, we're wrong. I'm say.
Whoa! That water's so here.
I'm gonna prank him. I'm gonna see where he wants to go next.
Yeah, look.
I'm
Oh,
gonna say, where are we going? Where are we going?
It's upside down. It's flip. Oh yeah, it's upside down.
Where are we going? Remember to sub to Elijah's channel.
You hold the water. Oh, yeah. You hold the water.
We went to my theme park tycoon yet?
You hold the water. You make it up. Oh, so the 3, 2.
I can't jump.
We flip. No, we flip. Oh, heads up.
Oh yeah, that prank that I did on Elijah, I just pressed my keep walking button and I just pressed the chat and look. My hands are up, see? And I just type in like that. I just type in help. That's how I do it. That's how I do it. I like this ride. I'm put I like this ride.
Oh,
I didn't make the jump. Let's see if he can do it. What? I'm the popcorn monster. I'm gonna say, but I am not
flip upside down.
on the.
How it up? No.
I'm not.
This
I made it. I was just riding on the ride and I jumped.
Bobby, no.
Now I'm on the roof.
Get back from the water. Bobby, but last.
Can you find me?
I just flipped you.
What? Why are you getting mad at me? I'm at your hat store. Okay. Okay. Yells at me, I yell back at him. Stop yelling. Or I'm leaving. Stop or I'm leaving.
Oh, what do we stop? It's a motor stuff.
I swear, for this whole video, we are at.
Oh my.
Oh, please, wanna be at this whole video? Wanna be at his theme park? I can clean up this. Building rights. I thought I did. Oh yeah, because we just left and came back in. No, Elijah left and he. Ah. Oh my god, this is so cool.
Not part of it. Yay! Why is it doing? What?
I want to see for this prank.
Oh no, it's doing the pass back. What? What's it trying to do in the water?
Oh, the prank might not work. Oh, I forget you there.
Trying to get him diamond. Diamond? Trying to get him red diamond. How about that?
Oh my god, it's not working. You know what, Eagle? I was gonna talk noob to him. You know how noob? I'm gonna talk like people. You know how people type in like they don't know how to spell words, so they use numbers like YOU. He says 2 more episodes. 2 more episodes. People like if you guys like have it on both our channels like this, right? Oh my god, why am I typing all capitals? Ah! So if the comments are on this video, remember what I said for the video. I need you guys to answer this question. I need you guys to actually answer the question. So, would you guys like me today to do an underwater YouTube video? Like, I could just be doing anything underwater, and you guys can see what I'm doing underwater. Dang, this ride is fast. But 2 more minutes of my bed. 2 more minutes of my bed.
This is my diamond. No love trust.
Okay, so let me.
Please. This is right now.
23 likes? 23 likes? That looks ugly.
Oh, I killed it out.
American flag.
Okay, no, that's done.
Who's Elijah?
That's done. Why is this?
That's ugly. No one cares.
Done.
This is beautiful. No one cares. This is even beautifuler, but people cares, and Elijah's tycoon is the beautifuler. Cares.
Right top.
Someone's name is Chloe.
A water
On the bed.
looks like a water. Probably this. Well, that's a nice song. It looks like this.
Okay. I'm not gonna do. You know, every video I'm just gonna say I'm not gonna do my outro when I'm doing a gaming video.
No. Wait, what song looks like?
Where are we going? Am I right? Okay,
no.
let's go on.
Hi,